Hi, how are you? I hope you are fine, and this video is for you. In this video I am going to show you how to use your blog. First of all, you have to install and activate the plugins. The plugin's name is Affiliate Products Blog. Once you finished it activation, then create a new page, or you can edit your existing page. This is a new page. If you click on this icon to insert a blog, you will see there is a new category that is called affiliate blogs, and under this category you can see there is a blog that is named product showcase. So this is a respected blog and I want to show you how to use it. Simply click. You can see this is the initial preview of this blog. In this case I will show you how to make the sample design. Like this is a sample design you have sent me, so I want to design this first section using this blog. First of all, you have to upload a product image. You can upload directly or from media library or from a link. So I want to use it from media library. Suppose this is my expected products. So this is the product. You can see there are two options, like edit the image or delete the image. You can edit the image and add another one, and it will work fine. You can also change it and use this one. Yes, it is working fine. First is our product title. So give a title like best products title. You can change the product subtitle here. Oh, sorry. There is the writing section. There is a description area. I want to take some random text, like, so I'm adding some dummy description here. So this is my short description of the product, and then you can see there is the pros and cons section. There is two buttons area. There are terms and conditions. So suppose I want to make something like this, like we will give the best name our pick. So once you select this area, you will see there are a lot of options, like product container, best, title, subtitle, product description, product rating, pros and cons, primary button, secondary, terms and condition. So in our sample we can see there is a best, but there is no rating, there is no secondary button. So first of all, I want to remove, or I want to disable the rating section. So go to the rating and you can see show or hide. I want to hide it, so it is hidden. In this sample there is no pros and cons, so I want to hide this. There is no secondary buttons also, so I want to hide this. So this is our first sample. So I want to change the base name like our pick. You can also show or hide the base. You can change the color of the base, background color or something like this. If you go to the product container, there are options like enable border. You can increase the border size, but standard size is 5 pixels. You can change the border color, so I'm keeping like the sample. You can also enable the box head. I will show it a bit later. This is the product title. You can change the product title heading like S2 or S3 or S4 or 5, whatever you like. You can set the link and give the options for the links, like I want to give the link first. You can go to blog.com. This is my website. You can open the link. You can change the color of the title like this one. Similarly, subtitle, you can hide or show the subtitle tag, change the color, spell your need. Okay, product description, you can change the product description color. Suppose I want to give it to the black color. Already primary button, you can hide it or show. Change the level of the primary button, like learn more or read more. Okay, you can set the link and open the link in the new tab. Student You can change the text color, or you can change the background color like this. You can change the border radius. 50 pixel is better. Okay, this is our primary window. Terms and condition, you can show or hide the terms and condition, set the current condition like just for 7 days. Okay, you can change the color of this terms and conditions. So once you finish the wall editing, just publish and check out that it is working fine, absolutely. And it is like this area. If you open your mobile view, you will see this is working fine. Okay, correct. Now I want to show the second example like this. In this area there is no border, no terms and condition, but there is a box shadow, so I want to make it. So simply go here and you can see we will disable the border but enable the box shadow, and we will also disable the terms and conditions. And if I refresh, you can see this, it is working fine. It is working properly. Link is also working. Okay, this link is also working fine. Okay, so now come to the third, this area. You can see there are only the heading rating, but there is no subtitle, but there are pop-ups, icons and 2 buttons. So now let us make this. I want to set the border. We have to base, but there is no subtitle. I want to disable it. For a description, okay. Rating, we need that's the rating. You can set rating as per need. Suppose I want to make it 4.2. Props and cons, most important. Secondary button will be visible. So first of all, set the props or cons title like props. If you select this, you can bold it. Now see the feature 1, face intent for new line, feature 2, feature 3. You can change the color of the feature, like I want to make it a bit gray, green color, something like this. Now I want to add to cons. If you click here, you can see there is an option is add block. First I want to add a paragraph to give the names cons. I want to make it bold. Press enter, then it will allow you to add more block. I want to add the list cons 1, cons 2. I want to give a different color like this, red, a bit red color, like this. So update and go ahead. You can see this props and cons are working fine, and it is looking better. If I go to the mobile view, and this you can see it is working fine. So I hope you have understood the matter. You can customize the block as per your need. Let me know if you need any more help.